Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to do this really quick, simple gold French. I'm just going to remove what I have on now, which I actually did this the same day, but I hated it. So if you guys don't know how I soak off my nails, you can watch it in one of my previous videos. Yeah, so we're just going to remove this and then shape up the nail, file it so that it's smooth and ready for the next application. So in this video, I am doing my non-dominant hand, and I think that's going to help you guys out if you're a beginner trying to figure out how to do your own nails. I'm going to start off with my base gel. This one is from Nail Couture. I'll have everything listed down below. And I'm using this base gel in B159 from Beetles. This is my absolute favorite base gel for my skin tone. It's kind of like a darker pink. So I'm going to go in with one coat of this base gel. And when I do my non-dominant hand, and if you're just new at doing your own nails, I just put my hand on the table so that it's as stable as possible, and then I kind of just move my finger around the brush while keeping my non-dominant hand steady, if that makes sense. I don't know, but yeah. So we're just going to apply a coat of this, and then we're going to cure it for 30 seconds. Next, we're going to go in with the base color. As you guys see, it's pretty sheer with one coat. So I do go in with two coats, curing 30 seconds in between. And then once that's cured, I'm going to go in with some acetone and remove the inhibition layer. This way the chrome doesn't stick to the rest of the nail, and it only sticks to the part that we draw the French on. So for this French design, I'm going to be doing the jelly stamper method. That just seems to be one of the easier and faster ways to do a French, especially if you want to do like a thin line French. So I'm going in with my jelly stamper, which I also got from Amazon. I'm going to place black because chrome pops more when it's over black gel polish. So I'm going to apply some of the gel polish to the stamper, and I'm literally just going to press the tip into my nail. Depending on how deep or how large you want your French tip, that's obviously how much you push into the um, the jelly stamper thing. So yeah, super easy. Just kind of rock your finger around to get it how you like it. And I'm just going to check my other fingers to make sure that everything is even. I love this method. It's very beginner friendly, but the only bad thing about it is when you go to press your finger into the stamper, a lot of the gel gets underneath your nail. So I would just advise that you clean that up. But if you don't care, then you're just gonna have black underneath your nail, which sucks, but yeah. So once I have it on, you can either clean it up now or clean it up after curing. I just clean it up after curing. So I cure it for 30 seconds and then I take out my file and just kind of file my skin apart from the nail, if that makes sense. Yeah, I just use the edge of this file to clean up the skin around the French area. Now I'm going to go in with my chrome. This is a chrome powder, and I absolutely love chrome powders because they're actually really versatile. But anyway, I'm just going to put some on my finger and rub it into the black. And you just want to make sure you get it everywhere. I like to put a generous amount on and just really work it in there to make sure it doesn't come off when I apply a top coat or anything like that. So yeah. As I mentioned, this glitter chrome is very versatile. I like to use it for a lot of things, which obviously the chrome, as I'm doing now. but I also use it in top coat to add a little glitter to a top coat, and I use it for glitter liner. So I mix it with the top coat, a pretty thick amount of it, and then it turns into glitter liner. So I use it for everything. But anyway, I'm just going to dust it off, and as you guys can see, because we took off the inhibition layer, it's only sticking to the black, which is obviously what we want. And now I'm going to top coat. So as I mentioned, I'm going to put a little bit of it into some top coat, and I'm just going to apply this, and my top coat's going to have a little bit of glitter in it. And I think this is such a pretty effect. Like, not just this chrome powder, but any color chrome powder. I love mixing it with top coat just to add a little shine or whatever. Or use it as glitter liner, you know, whatever. And last, because this is my opposite hand that I'm working on, I do make a little bit of a mess, so I'm just going to grab my file and file it off my skin again. So embarrassing, but yeah, yeah. I still haven't mastered doing my opposite hand, but this is good enough. I just file it up, make sure there's no rough edges, and yeah. Here is the completed look, a really simple thin gold French with a glitter top coat. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. See you in the next video. Let me know if you want to see anything else. Bye.